Yo, what's up, Keish gang? Y'all already know what time it is. It is makeup tutorial time. Yes, today is Saturday, and it is early in the morning. I'm coming to you guys to show you to do a natural look. I am going to be running a few errands today. Well, quite a few errands today. And I'm going to be gone from home for quite some time, so I just want to go ahead and get my makeup done. Sorry if I sound pretty rough this morning. Like I said, it's early, and I woke up with a sore throat for some reason. I don't know if it's my sinuses draining. My nose is stopped up a little bit, so forgive me if I sound funny. So I probably won't be talking to you guys throughout this video. I'll be doing a voiceover. So yeah, I'm just going to be doing a quick natural look today. Nothing dramatic or anything like that. And sorry for the lighting behind me. I have my makeup station set up wrong, really, because I should be using that natural light coming from that light there. But yeah, I'll fix that one day. But forgive me for that also. Like I said, today I'm just going to be doing a natural look. I'm not going to be talking to you guys throughout this video. I'm going to be doing a voiceover. So if you'd like to see how I create this look, as I always say, stay tuned. Alright, first I'm going to start out by using my Black Radiance Luminous Dry Oil to moisturize my face. Next, I'm going to be priming my face with Becca Forever Matte Poreless Primer. Next, I'll be priming my eye with one of my favorites, PLouise Rumor 2. Now we're going to go into our eyeshadow palette, the Tarte Toasted palette, and we're going to go into that color Warmth. It's like an orangey color, and I'm just going to apply that all over into my crease and over the lid. Now we're going to go into the color Cozy and apply that to the outer corner. I'm not going to apply much, just a little bit, because I want this color to be very soft and natural. And I'm using my Morphe M433 brush just to blend that all in together. Now for the foundation, I'm just going to be using my Fenty Beauty in the color of 410. Okay, so I wanted a little bit more coverage, so I just went back and applied just a little bit more to my cheeks and the nose area. Alright guys, so this is a new product that I'm trying, and it is ColourPop No Filter Concealer. And so far, I like. It's doing a job. It's giving me great coverage. So yeah, if you don't have it, you must try it out. I'm liking it so far. Now it's time to bake. I'm going to take my Sacha Buttercup and I'm going to apply that to my highlighted area. And I'm just going to let that sit and bake for a while. I'm going to take my Black Radiance foundation stick in the color Expresso, and I'm just going to contour this face. Alright guys, please excuse the sniffling. You'll see this throughout the rest of the video. Like I said when I first started this video, that I woke up this morning with a sore throat and my nose is running. So yes, I will be sniffling throughout this entire video. And I don't know if you can hear it in my voice now, but yeah, my throat is hurting, so carry on. Now I'm just going to brush away the excess powder with my Morphe M403 brush. If I did miss anything, it will be in the description below. I'll have all the brushes and the product that I use in the descriptions below. So if I miss anything, you'll find it there. Yo, what's up, my gang? I'm back and I'm feeling a little bit better. So, as you can see, I must be if I'm rocking this blonde wig. Yes, your girl had to throw on a blonde wig to give you guys a different look today. I decided to throw it on, even though I did say I was going for a natural look, but I wanted to do this blonde wig today. As you guys can see, it's just an asymmetric bob. And it's so cute. I'm going to give you guys a back view. Look at that. Look at that. Yes. 360, honey. Yes. I love it. I love it. I just, like I said, I decided to go blonde today. I do that every now and again. I get bored with hair. I just had the Passion Twist. I have done the video. I have not uploaded, and I've done a makeup look with it, and I have not uploaded that either. So maybe you guys will get that soon. But I just wanted to come back on and show you guys my look. I hope you like it. If you don't, I do anyway. Who cares if I do? Y'all hear my doorbell is ringing, so let me go answer it.